Hi, I'm Liz and I bought a 32-foot project canal boat for my first home. Two things I've always wanted in life: to be mortgage free and to be able to travel. Buying a canal boat seemed the perfect idea. Follow me as I restore her into a luxurious home on a budget and explore the British waterways.
Good day, we're back at the boatyard once again. What we're doing today is we are putting in some lovely new tiles for the fireplace. This is going to be at the back end. We're just going to do it, and I'm going to paint the bow. And we've got tea, I've got my dad, so all is going to be well. Cheers, thank you for coming. Not whiskey in that?
No.
You're right, haven't you?
How dare you!
I bought these tiles originally for the fireplace. Finding more suitable tiles, I decided to reuse these for the kitchen. Unfortunately, they weren't the colour I liked, so here I'm prepping them ready for a coat of French chic paint in the colour Steel Teal.
So I've got the French chic al fresco weatherproof inside and outside cork paint. I've got it in Steel Teal, and I'm going to test out on the bit of this, see what colour it comes out. Regardless, it's going on because I'm not having white tiles in the kitchen. So. What do you think? That's the first coat. Oh, it looks beautiful. I'm so pleased. Ah, what a relief. I thought it was going to look shite. My dad has done a fabulous job so far. Just got the other side to do. I think it's amazing. It goes well with the lower tiles.
Yeah, we'll take these screws out today as well.
Yeah.
We'll give it a spun go.
Yeah. I can't wait to. We can grout that. When can we grout that?
You should be able to grout it today.
Okay.
So just let that go off. I mean, the adhesive's pretty sticky stuff, and you have trouble moving the tiles, which is a good sign. And all the other ones, and them ones we've mixed it well. So we'll now do this side. But we're going to have a coffee.
Yes.
I may need to go and drain the vein.
Just put a coat on here. Gonna wait for it to dry, then do a second coat. And the same on this side. And then we're gonna get some gold grout. Okay, now I'm going to prime
the rest of the bow. Slowly but surely getting there. So I'm just putting the primer inside the bow. Go over a few coats. Needed to scrub that bad boy, super clean. So since last, me and Steve sanded everything down, everything got a bit mucky. So dried it all off. We'll give a nice coat in here. And yeah, Bob Tronco. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look, shiny, shiny. Shiny, shiny. Super shiny. So, oh my goodness. Look at this. Just got to ground it now, but it's a nice feature piece. But it's been a super productive day. Got more done, which is awesome. So bow is painted, first coat on the bow. The kitchen tiles are halfway through and the fireplace is almost complete, so another smashing day. Good dreams. Pain in my ass. Ingenious locking device. Oh. Time to go to work at the studio. Hope you've enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you next time.